Bakersfield held its third annual Latina Maternal Health Fair, a way families who are expecting a child can educate themselves on their health. And now that May is proclaimed as Latina Maternal Health Awareness Month, organizers work with the county to spread awareness and give resources.
Unfortunately, we've faced so many tragedies here in Kern County and in Bakersfield. We've lost so many young mothers and babies needlessly when they should never have passed when they have. Our focus is not only to bring resources to families here, but also to seek accountability. We decided at some point to organize a campaign, Bakersfield Families Call to Action, and it was outreach to families in Bakersfield about maternal negligence and how to advocate for your families, and a lot of other families came forward.
All of you who have come together to support our community, to raise awareness. Kern County does not want to be known for having the highest maternal mortality rate.
We can connect as women in a way that is incredibly empowering, incredibly comforting, and in a way that builds community and helps us help each other.
There's another part that is often neglected and not supported, which is maternal mental health. And I'm here to talk about that a little bit.
I think a lot of people know the term postpartum depression, but they don't know exactly what all comes with that.
The maternal death rate is 32.9 deaths for every 100,000 births in the United States, making us the worst in the entire world in comparison to other developed nations. In fact, there are undeveloped nations, quote unquote, that are much better at maternal health than we are.
I want to have voice, not just for Liam, but for all of, here. So I don't think it takes a mom or a baby to have a picture this big in order for Kern County to realize how bad the situation is.
And we as the marginalized communities need to occupy the spaces of politics and healthcare to help make these changes so that our future generation doesn't have to suffer.
Through the pain and suffering and sorrow that my family has endured, and Sabrina De La Rosa and Celeste Ortiz, we have come together to make changes for the community.
It's crazy. It's been 5 years since it all started. I'm very grateful for everybody that's here and giving up their Saturday to spend time with us. I'm just here to shed some light of what's going on here in our backyard, not only in Bakersfield, but all of California. Babies are being denied their basic right.
We have the right to have an advocate in the room with you, whether it's at your OBGYN's office or in the hospital in labor and delivery. We just wanted to thank everyone for coming today, and I wanted you to see the faces of advocacy for the Central Valley. So these courageous moms and dad that have taken their tragedies and turned it into purpose for saving other families. So thank you, all of you.
Para aquel que le entraré, que viva mi tierra, Michoacán, y de Mecha anda para brindar, que por Colorado aquí está.